Consider a company using Dynamics 365 Business Central, where you need to implement filtering mechanisms for ledger entries. You have three features to choose from: A, Views, B, Filter List By, and C, Filter Total By. You must match these to three requirements. The first requirement is to create a filter for a list and save it for later use. The second is to add filters on specific fields to reduce the number of displayed records. The third is to modify dimensions that influence calculations. This question tests your understanding of how Business Central handles data presentation and numerical analysis. Filtering is essential for managing large data sets efficiently. It is important to distinguish between simply hiding records to refine your view, saving those UI settings for future reuse, and using more advanced analytical features that impact how totals are computed across various business dimensions. In my view, the correct matches are as follows. Creating a filter for a list and saving it for later use corresponds to views. Adding filters on specific fields to reduce the number of records corresponds to filter list by. Finally, modifying dimensions that influence calculations corresponds to filter total by. Views are essentially saved states of your filter configuration, allowing for quick access without the need to manually reconfigure your criteria every time you need that specific data view every time.
Filter total by is distinct because it utilizes flow filters, which are specifically designed for financial list pages to adjust calculations like balance or net change based on specific dimensions. An exam tip? Remember that filter total by is linked to flow filters in financial contexts, while views are for persisting UI states. This distinction is critical for navigating Business Central efficiently.